Nature's fury. The devastating power of floods. Floods are one of the most destructive natural disasters known to humankind. We've all seen the images. Streets turned into rivers, homes partially submerged, raging rivers bursting their banks, unable to contain the sheer volume of water. Homes submerged, belongings swept away, memories lost in the torrent. Floods are a force of nature, capable of wreaking havoc in an instant, leaving communities in disarray. They leave behind a trail of destruction, both physical and emotional, that can take years to recover from. The threat of flooding is real, no matter where you live. Urban or rural, coastal or inland, no place is immune. It can strike suddenly, leaving little time to react, catching people off guard. Remember those flash floods in the desert? Even the driest places can be overwhelmed. Who could forget the coastal communities devastated by hurricane surges? The power of water is relentless. Preparation is key when it comes to facing nature's wrath. Sandbags, barriers, and evacuation plans can make a difference. We can't always predict the weather, but we can control how we respond to it. Quick action can save lives. It's about being proactive, about taking steps to protect ourselves and our loved ones. Building flood defenses, raising homes, and creating emergency kits. It's about having the right gear when it matters most. Life jackets, waterproof bags, and emergency supplies can be lifesavers.
Dam Easy Flood Barriers, your first line of defense. When the threat of flooding looms, you need a solution that you can trust. In the face of rising waters, Dam Easy Flood Barriers stand strong. They are designed to withstand the harshest conditions, ensuring your property remains safe and dry. They are your first line of defense, a reliable barrier between your home and potential flood damage. With these barriers, you can have peace of mind knowing that your home is protected. Think of them as your own personal dam, easily deployed to hold back unwanted water. No more struggling with heavy sandbags or makeshift solutions. These aren't your typical sandbags. They offer a unique and effective solution to flood protection. Dam Easy Flood Barriers are engineered for strength and ease of use. Their robust construction ensures they can handle significant water pressure, while their user-friendly design makes them accessible to everyone. They're lightweight and compact, making them easy to store. You can keep them in your garage or shed, ready to deploy at a moment's notice. Yet, when deployed, they create a watertight seal that keeps floodwaters at bay. This seal is crucial in preventing water from seeping through and causing damage.
The secret lies in their innovative design. Each barrier is crafted with precision to ensure maximum efficiency. Dam Easy Flood Barriers interlock, forming a continuous barrier that adapts to any length or shape. This flexibility means you can protect any area, no matter how large or small. Need to protect a doorway? No problem. These barriers can be easily adjusted to fit any entrance, providing a secure seal. What about a driveway or a whole perimeter? Dam Easy Flood Barriers can handle it all. Their versatility makes them the perfect solution for any flood protection needs, whether it's a small residential property or a large commercial space.
Simple solutions for a complex problem. In a world where natural disasters are becoming more frequent and severe, finding effective solutions is crucial. Don't let the simplicity fool you. These solutions are designed to tackle even the most complex flooding scenarios. Dam Easy Flood Barriers are built for serious flood protection. They are engineered to withstand significant water pressure and provide reliable defense. They're quick and easy to install, even in the heat of the moment. When time is of the essence, you need a solution that works fast. No special tools or expertise required. Anyone can set them up, making them accessible for all homeowners.
Imagine this. Flood warnings are issued and water levels are rising rapidly. Panic sets in, but you know you have a reliable solution at hand. You unpack your Dam Easy Flood Barriers and quickly connect the sections. The process is straightforward and can be done in a matter of minutes. They click together seamlessly, forming a sturdy barrier in minutes. This ensures that there are no gaps for water to seep through. You adjust the height to match the rising water, ensuring complete protection. The adjustable feature is crucial for adapting to different flood levels. It's that simple. Dam Easy Flood Barriers empower you to take control of the situation, providing peace of mind when you need it most. Knowing you have a dependable solution can make all the difference. No more scrambling for sandbags or worrying about complicated installations. Traditional methods can be time-consuming and stressful. Just quick, effective protection when every second counts. With Dam Easy flood barriers, you can focus on what truly matters, keeping your home and loved ones safe.
I've witnessed firsthand the devastation floods can cause. I've also seen the resilience of people who refuse to be defeated. People like Sarah, a single mom who used Dam Easy flood barriers to protect her home during a flash flood. The water came up so fast, she told me, but I was ready. I had my Dam Easy barriers set up in no time. They saved my house and everything in it.
Then there's John, a retired firefighter who used the barriers to protect his elderly neighbor's property. These barriers are a game changer, he said. They're so easy to use, even for someone my age. They gave us peace of mind knowing we were prepared.